1. Jog or brisk walk for 10 to 30 minutes each day. 2. Sit in silence for at least 10 minutes each day. 3. Stay hydrated, drink at least 2 liters of water per day. 4. Sleep for 8 hours a day. 5. Live with the 3 E's. Energy, enthusiasm and empathy. 6. Play more games. 7. Read more books than you did last month. 8. Make time to practice meditation, yoga and prayer. 9. Spend time with people over the age of 70 and under than the age of 6. 10. Dream more while you are awake. 11. Eat more foods that grow on trees and plants and eat less food that is manufactured in plants. 12. Try to make at least 3 people smile each day. 13. Don't waste your precious energy on gossip. 14. Forget issues of the past. Don't remind your partner with his or her mistakes of the past. 15. Don't have negative thoughts or things you cannot control. Instead, invest your energy in the positive present moment. 16. Realize that life is a school and you are here to learn. Problems are simply part of the curriculum that appears and fade away like algebra class. But the lessons you learn will last a lifetime. 17. Eat breakfast like a king, lunch like a prince and dinner like a